Welcome to Medical Destiny YouTube channel. To get latest videos related to health and medical topics, please subscribe this channel.
For most women, the first 12 or so weeks of pregnancy are the most consuming because everything is new, exciting, and a bit overwhelming. Consider this your manual for understanding everything to come. The first trimester lasts from week 1 through the end of week 13 of pregnancy. Not sure what week you are in your pregnancy? The first step to nailing your current week down is to calculate your due date. Keep in mind that your date might change, especially if you have irregular periods, so try to go with the flow. Baby's growth during the first trimester. During the first trimester alone, your baby changes from a single fertilized cell to the embryo that implants itself in your uterine wall to a peach-sized bundle of growing limbs and body systems. Organs take shape and baby starts to move. Here are a few of the big highlights happening in this exciting time. Baby's bones. By about week 6, baby starts to sprout arms, legs, hands and feet. Hair and nails. Skin begins forming between weeks 5 and 8, with hair follicles and nail beds forming around week 11. Digestive system. By about week 8, baby's intestines will begin forming, and your baby will have already gone through 2 sets of kidneys. Sense of touch. Your baby will have touch receptors on his face, mostly lips and nose, around week 8. By week 12, he'll have receptors on his genitals, palms and the soles of his feet. Eyesight. Optic nerves, which pass information from the eyes to the brain, and lenses begin to form by week 4, with the retina beginning to form around week 8. Heart. By week 5, the tube that will become your baby's heart begins to beat spontaneously. It will become stronger and more regular, and you'll be able to hear it. Around week 9 or 10. Brain. By about week 8 of pregnancy, your baby's brain will be wiggling his developing limbs. Sense of taste. Your baby will have developed taste buds that connect to his brain by about week 8. But he'll need taste pause before he can taste the surrounding amniotic fluid. Other major first trimester milestones include the formation of muscles, the production of white blood cells to fight off germs, and the development of vocal cords. Changes in your body. A lot happens for you in the first trimester, too. A couple of the most common early symptoms of pregnancy you may experience. Morning sickness. Unfortunately, it doesn't just strike in the morning, and it typically starts up by about week 6 of pregnancy. Ginger tea or drops might help, as can small but frequent meals. If it's severe, you might want to consider talking to your doctor about medications to treat the symptoms of pregnancy-related nausea. Tender breasts. So tender, so tingly, and so big. You might be wondering where your old boobs went by about week 6. Mood swings. You may feel up, then down, then up again by week 7. If you have a history of depression or think it might be more serious, talk to your doctor about getting screened for prenatal depression. As your pregnancy progresses this trimester, you may experience plenty of other pregnancy symptoms: heartburn, constipation, metallic taste, food aversions and headaches. Hang in there, the second trimester will offer welcome relief. Keep in mind, too, that every woman is different. So just because your mom or sister reported cramping or frequent urination doesn't guarantee either symptom will happen to you too. First trimester tests. If you take a pregnancy test on the first day you miss your period, there's a 10% chance that you'll get a false negative reading. If you mistakenly believe that you are not pregnant, you might not avoid potentially harmful substances. In the interest of safety, assume you are pregnant and retest a week later. Obstetrician or gynecologist appointments. Call your doctor for an appointment as soon as you believe you are pregnant. Try to schedule prenatal visits so that your partner can come, too. Most obstetricians will perform an ultrasound at your first prenatal visit to confirm your pregnancy and to date it if you don't know when you conceived. Later on, you'll probably have a trans-abdominal ultrasound, but the early exam may be performed by inserting a plastic wand into your vagina. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt.
Thanks for watching. To get latest videos related to health and medical topics, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends. Do not forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment below.